Oh, good morning. All right, definitely very interesting morning. We're here, start today. Sun is shining, but it's colder than a motorboat. All right, okay. Appreciate the early likes. Hey, always nice. Okay, I see. Hey, we're looking 50-50, red to green. Okay. All right, 50-50, but no break even. All right, I see y'all. Jarvel, good morning. Hi, Snipes, morning. M Sense, good morning. All right, let's see what we got going today. Yeah, yesterday, hey, towards the end of the day, yo, mess was wild. What was it? DGZ, good morning. Y'all, this morning was kind of wild for me. It started off kind of wild. I checked, like I look back at my watch, right? You know, it has a little heart rate tracking, bro. First thing this morning when it came time to wake up, yo, my watch spiked, heart rate was elevated, and I was rudely awakened this morning. All right, so this morning, you know how you're laying in bed and maybe you know it's time for you to get up or it's almost time for you to get up, but you're like, oh yeah, I'm gonna lay here a little bit longer. That's something I do a little bit every morning. I don't typically wake up with an alarm clock. I like to wake up relax. And so I'm kind of in that state where I'm like, yo, I feel like it's almost time to get up, but I'm like, yo, I also feel like I could sleep a little bit. So I would say it's probably like 5 or so. But yo, then we have like the fire alarm go off, and it's like we have like a specific one for our apartment, like just our unit, and then there's one for the whole building. And yo, the one for the whole building went off, and I'm like, yo, that is so much louder than usual. So yo, I had to get up and go down the stairs, and it's like 13 degrees out here right now, and I'm like, dang. So it was wild. Yeah, that's how my day started out. Apparently, no fire or anything. It was just like a pipe somewhere in this apartment building broke. Fire department came out. Think it's all good. But let's see. Hey, Palantir hopped in. I hopped and got some bread. Oh yeah. I got some too. I'm like, dang. I kind of feel like I was like, dang. I took profit too early, because if I had waited maybe like 10 minutes, I would have. So I got out with about like 1,200, but had I waited like 10 more minutes, yo, that would have been like, I want to say like 4,500 just with the contracts I had. So it's like, but I got more than 100% on the stuff I was in, like all the contracts I was in. So I was like, yo, let's not be greedy. I was like, I would be very upset if I lost this right now. So it's like definitely missed out, but I'm like also gotta enjoy when you take profits regardless. All right, got back in the day for another contract, the KS, for the info on what to look for and not giving up on your Palantir. Hey, it's all good. Yeah. Yeah, that just made me think like patience. And then I started looking for similar plays. And low key, I was, one of them I was looking at that looks similar. Hold up. Okay, that's where Shopify was looking. Oh, maybe Shopify was on the weekly. All right, so Shopify is on watch, but it's not ready. But that's one I was looking at. Let's see. Chase, good morning. Nikayla, good morning. Jeremy, good morning. Did anyone see Detroit, a pipe burst in the neighborhood, flooded cars straight? Dang. It's wild. I've seen stuff like that on social media, but I didn't see that directly. My light be like, good morning. Henry, good morning. Rodney, good morning. I can even get on a good side of trade lately. Hey, my thing is, hey, I just say like pick something that looks good and patience. You see this Palantir trade, honestly, I didn't even like ride it all the way out. I had to keep kind of going in on it, but dang, that's a long time. I've been talking about this Palantir trade for like 2 weeks. Cause it's like I entered this trade February 7th. Yo, we're moving. February 19th, it finally happened. So it was right there on the longer end of my time frame on whenever I'm looking for the 4 hour. They took pretty much as long as I would typically expect. So yeah, definitely got pushed on that one, honestly. Palantir made 350, could have made. I feel you. Hey, but we got out with profit, so that's cool. And with 50 more that I can lose, hey, that's cool. See, smooth, top of the morning. Oh, I got you. Do you not leverage stocks or wait, do you not trade leverage stocks or I just don't see? See, smooth, what do you mean? Oh, you mean like TSLL and yeah, that's the only one I can think of right now. But like the 2x leverage stocks and whatnot, if you're talking about that, it's like I do, just not like a crazy amount. Or maybe it's like SQQ, TQQ, all those. Yeah, I trade those from time to time. Not like a heavy amount, but I do. D-Scurv, good morning. Cynthia, good morning. Mike Knight, good morning. Hope you have a green day. Let's not fall for any propaganda today. Hey, I think it's great to have both sides in here. It's all good because there's definitely propaganda on both sides, and I think it's good to balance each other out. So hey, definitely appreciate your presence, Mike Knight. Hey, let's see. What do you think about Intel? I had it up here. So Intel's at a level. So I actually put it on the watch list this morning, and I had support. Support is 25, resistance is 26, and that's kind of what I would watch on Intel for now. But right now it's kind of at a semi-pivotal point. It's like it pulled back so it can go up more, but also, say it loses this. I mean, there's a gap fill to this 2363 level. Please tell me that TSLL will go down. That put isn't looking good. It's not right now, but all it takes is one news piece and it's down. Like similar to Palantir up here. Yo, it was not looking good, but then it just dipped. Like there was news in the morning yesterday, as well as news that kind of came out after it started dipping. And it sold out. But yeah, we'll have to see. Let's take a look at Tesla. So yeah, Tesla is still kind of not crossing resistance. Tesla's just in a range right now. So assuming that if Tesla doesn't want to just sit here and stay in a range forever, it could happen. But I would say the odds of it happening tomorrow are immensely low. NVDL, not AMDL. That was accident. Okay. Timothy, good morning. Palantir. So when it comes to Palantir, one thing I want to say, my initial target was this range down here. So 100 to about 103. So I still wanted to kind of watch that. One thing I was considering was trying to see if we could get like over overbought on a lower time frame. So we could potentially try to ride it down there, but you know, could possibly still try to go for a downside to try to ride here, or maybe just try to get in. I don't know. I think I might wait because I could see it making moves quick. I don't know. I might not even play it, but ideally I would pick up somewhere in this zone. Like for instance, if we come to 100, I'll for sure pick up at that point. Let's see. Do you think SPY is going to test the 609 range? It could. The Dixie's going down, which a little bit more bullish, but it could. Like the SPY, like I wouldn't put it past it. It's like right now in this range, it's definitely not off. It's not off the table. But it's not anything that I just expect to happen right now. Should have got more time on the contract. Bro, that's the story of my life, man. God lifts me up every day. Good morning. God blesses everyone on this beautiful day for an uplifting day. Hey, 100%. Got the sun shining. It's cold, but the sun is shining. Do you think SoFi will come down to the... Oh, that's a very specific range. Let's see. Will it today? Don't know about today, but yeah, I think it'll come back. There's even a gap down to like 15, 19, so there's a good chance. Not sure about like the time frame, but there's a good chance. Dang, Palantir moving like, it's moving fast. It's not even. Hey, but anybody still holding Palantir that held overnight? Yo, don't forget how wild the market can be in the first minute, the first few seconds. So I just want to, you know, not a financial advisor, not financial advice, but yo, see profit, take profits has never hurt anyone. Do you think Palantir gap at 93.16? Yeah, so there's a good amount of so you said 93.16. I don't even see that. I see like, yeah, there's one down to like 84. That's the next one I see after. Yeah, I see a gap starts at like 97.35. And then, yo, about the $85 level. That's when I see it kind of like, yo, that's where we might be moving. Hey, let me zoom in on this Palantir, get a closer look. See kind of how we're doing here. Yeah, Palantir's coming for its zone. Hey, I'm not gonna, if it wants to like rip through this, I'm not just gonna like go for it right away. I'm gonna actually zoom out on that. Cause that went for that a lot faster than I expected that to. All right, so we got the market open. Do you think, oh, I forgot, let's look at Meta. So Meta could, like, but it also has some downside it can take too. So if we look on the weekly, yo, it was all the way up here. On the weekly chart, EMA touch, which has been riding this EMA since at least November. 650 would be kind of a good level, but we'll see. For me, I'm like looking for like 630, 680, but that'll probably take some weeks Oh, hold up. Apple's also think above the resistance I called. So I might take I might look to grab a short on Apple up here. This was something I've been looking for. I was saying at 248, so we'll see if it can push up here. Let me go to a 4-hour real quick. Cause yeah, we got Apple pushing up. I would love to see it come up here and grab a short that I can swing. All right, so I'm gonna start looking. What's today, the 20th? So I'm looking at the March 7th date. We'll see if the price can go up anymore first. Still want to pull Tesla back up. Okay, oh, hold up. Okay, missing some comments. Still watching Apple. Baba called, they're gonna, hey, yeah, Baba, went crazy. XRP moving. See where XRP is. Okay, yeah, I see it. I'm holding 965 put. On when you say 965 put, what were we talking about that's in that range? Today's the day. Any moves you like for smaller accounts, sub 500? So I am looking for like the trade that I'm looking at on Apple. If we actually get this, the contracts I'm looking at should be under 500, but we'll see if Apple wants to actually kind of move up. That may have just been a tease right there. Kevin, good morning. Palantir going up. Yeah, that's exactly why I didn't want to rush into it. I still got that alert on Apple. Okay, I also wanted to, the short mean put, yes. Yeah, long is typically a call. Short is typically a put. Soxel, is it going crazy? All right, so Google still chilling. Tesla still up there. Where's I wanted to look at BBA. Okay, it still hasn't done it. What else we got here? Yeah, let me just kind of run through the gauntlet. Dixie selling off. So I would say, once again, I would say we're kind of bullish. Like just looking at the Dixie, I mean, things aren't showing bullishness yet, but yeah. Intel, Uber. Yeah, I would like to see Tesla come down some more. Still want to get out of my TSLO. Look at Soxel. We can take a quick look at that. Super bullish. So with Soxel, this isn't even anything I would dream of taking an entry on. It's like it looks great right now. It's over here, it's about to close the gap. I see what you mean. Okay. All right, let's look for a supply zone. Okay, I see one. All right, so yeah, we'll we'll watch a stock sell for a short too. So that's kind of a long run, but this is the next area where there's a lot of sellers. So here, honestly, I wanna be at the back of the zone. Actually, these ETFs are usually kind of here. I'll put it more like right here, so I'll be alerted if it gets in there, like up there. I'd be cool with taking a short on that. You said SoFi came down. It already come down to that level you were talking about. Let's see. Where's SoFi? Not quite, but yeah, it's moving. It's moving its way down. What's the play on Apple? For me, there's no play unless it gets up to 248. But if it gets up here, I'll probably grab a put. But yeah, I'm like trying to grab closer to the extremes. If it moves without me, it moves without me. But it's like I want easier money. I don't want to be in my trades as long as I was. I want to be able to grab like multiple contracts and also like sell out of a few and then still have room to ride one more. Because I'm thinking about this Palantir. I'm like, man, if I would have just got my money out right away and wasn't so traumatized about having to get so much, I'm like, yo, I know the move's gonna happen, but I don't know when. If I wasn't like so traumatized about that, yo, I would have had some like solid money on that. Bro, Baba, man. Oh my goodness. They like smashed their earnings. And it's like they keep leaving behind all these gaps. And it's like, honestly, yo, this is like, here, I don't even know how to, here, let's go to a weekly chart. Where would be the next, where's it, hold on. Honestly, I don't even trust, this doesn't trade like other things. Because even on a weekly chart, if I look at these, actually here, there's a weekly supply up here. See if we can come up in there. Let me see if there was anything in the past from this area. That's kind of tricky. I might consider if we come up in here trying to take a short. If we make it that far, that would be a long run for Baba, but if it does it, hey. Ditto on everything just said about not holding so long and buying. I feel that. Miss Baba, I bought away for a call instead. Hey, it's all good. There will be this year there will be plenty of runners, plenty of opportunities. The year is young, like the year is young, and there will be plenty more plays. Oh, hold up. AMD. So all right, so AMD is coming up here close to this, it's testing this trend line. So I'm watching it. It's probably, in my eyes, it's about to be a good area to get a short. But also could break out for a call as well. So I may do that too, but I think it should still be a good level for a short. Here, let's see. Dr. Modified, good morning. Is Soxel a leverage play? Like, yeah, Soxel is actually, it's more leverage. It's 3x instead of 2x. Good morning. Do you think SoFi will? It's possible. It's like I'm not so good on like same day. SoFi is like one that I don't know, it likes to run a lot at once and move a lot at once, but then it'll just kind of chill. So you never know if it's like, oh yeah, today's the day that we want to chill. We just made it look like we're going to run. But here, so on AMD, let me see. I'm gonna look at some options. Let me look at something. So last time it came up here, I'll see if it gets higher. I'll watch it on a 4-hour. I'll be patient with this one. But yeah, I got my eyes on AMD. Let me give that a little blue flag. I just bought 5 138 calls for February 28th. Sold 3. Gonna keep the rest of the plays out. Just made, hey, nice. Good stuff, mommy. SoFi below 580 or 1580. Hey, good stuff. I might have to pick up some more shares. Or actually, I'm going to pick up more. I pick up more shares anyway. Yeah, we'll see if Baba keeps moving. I kind of hope they do. Low-key, what are the Baba options at? See what their calls are at. I was considering grabbing a call for tomorrow, but even if I go like 3 strikes out, it's like $200. I'm not necessarily loving that. For now, I'm gonna just chill. Opportunities are they'll get better. Held the Uber call, sold hey, nice. Hey, glad you were able to make some profit off of it, because I lost like 50% on that. But hey, good stuff. Hit it. Oh, got in at 120. Yeah, but I've been watching Baba. All right, we got the SPY coming down. SPY's around actually, it's been coming down since open. All right, so SPY's around 610.75. Oh, good thing is though, I see Tesla moving down too. Zoom in, get a better look on Tesla. Really interested to see. Yeah, that's a solid candle. Tesla's first candle. It's oversold on the 15 though. So really interested to see kind of what goes on. Looks like the market's trying to sell off, like just to start the morning. Janae, so I haven't traded APP. I've definitely been watching it. Where is it at? It's on this list. Oh, it's selling off. Okay. I'm curious how much the options are. Oh, oh, they have wide spreads. So yeah, APP is not one for me, unfortunately. Yeah, the bid to ask, that's like there's like a couple $100 between the bid to ask on most of those. The options chain is like very weird. You pull Baba back up. So yeah, Baba's up here. It's like decently overbought, but I'm not gonna really say anything for now. Hold up. Yeah, SPY, he said SPY hitting 610 again. Hey, it looks like it's trying to head that way. Yeah, Tesla, yeah, coming down a little bit. Let me check in on my TSLL. I'm sure I'm down on it, but let me see if it's made any progress. Hey, on the day, I'm up 24 on the TSLL, but yeah, I'm still down on it. Rocket Lab going straight down. Let's take a look. Let's take a look. Okay, hey, what's this level? What's this level I have? Oh, hold up. Okay, hold up. Let's go to. Oh, they're in a weird range. Definitely a weird range. So on the weekly, they're selling off. What do they look like on a 4-hour? Oh, they're over here like it's almost yeah, they're over here oversold and stuff. So they got a gap fill. Low key, this might be a short term, like this might be a yeah. All right, so it's 24. Might be able to ride that up to just below 25. Let's see. Let me see what kind of contracts we can get to that. Call. Well, kind of pricier than I like. Let's see what next week would look like. Yeah, I feel like these contracts are more than I'd like to pay. We'll keep them on watch. Let me. I'm not sure if they're on my watch list. Yeah, let me give them a little blue tab too, though. They're like really close to being oversold. They're in a supply zone. Let me set an alert for like that 24 level. If they hit that, I might be willing to buy something like right there at the money. Yeah, we got a lot of stuff hitting levels though. So my TSLL put it open. I know how that goes. Oh, let's check in on BBAI. Yeah, so we got that's approaching or I guess it kind of already did. Yeah, we already got a level there anyway. Never mind. Him's put play is going ham right now. Dang. Yeah, there's violence in the markets right now. Let's see. Hey, let me check out the Moomoo news, because I've been asleep on that for so long. Here, let's see. All right, Lamb Research, Bank of America Global Research raises price to, what is Lamb LRC? Oh, somebody was just talking about this yesterday. Let's see. Okay. So they got a price target raise from 100 to 110. Here, let's see it on the weekly. Yeah, it's definitely like oversold, or overbought, but yeah, I'm not messing with that. Sold my SPY put too early. And be like that. MSTR. I don't trade that one specifically. I mean, it's coming down. But yeah, this is MSTR is one I would, like, if I trade, it has to be on the weekly, and I wouldn't be interested in anything until it at least pulls back to like 267 or 230. So that's going to be a no-go for me personally. Nvidia. Oh, they broke a trend line. Hold up. Yeah, let's see. Oh my, I was looking for next week. Here, I might have to go for tomorrow. I feel like I'm chasing. I feel like Nvidia could probably like fall to 136, but I don't want to chase it. Why did it pull up Nvidia on all of my charts? There we go. Yeah, the market's just selling off now. Yeah, Tesla is selling off. So that TSLL should be moving now. Let's see. All right, so hey, I'm doing a lot better on TSLL now. It's up 47 on a day. One thing to kind of bring y'all's attention to, though, is the fact that if this trend line is the actual trend line, that this could possibly be where it bounces. It's already kind of oversold, but that's on the 15-minute. On the 4-hour, hey, I'll say forget that trend line. We'll kind of just have to see. Yeah, we're a lot of blood in the markets right now. MSTR, they're following Bitcoin to the basement, puts. It's early, you can position yourself to take advantage of bounces. Yeah, I'm kind of, like right now, I'm trying to let pound here below 100. Bro, I'm hurting now. I'm hurting. I am hurting. I should have held on to at least one. Even the one that was about to expire tomorrow. My goodness. SMCI coming down. I'm probably just gonna take advantage of bounces. I might have to like chill till the end of the day and see what's there, because today might be AMD, that looks like it's gonna be a good short. AMD should be a good short. I also want to check, hold up, let's see how Shopify is doing real quick. Oh, that's a 4-hour. All right, I'm gonna go through my list. I feel like the market Let's see if there's anything that kind of hasn't started yet. SMCI, AMD, Nvidia. I don't know how AI is below 30. AI might actually, here, let's see if there's a demand zone. AI might actually, yeah, they're like oversold. Let's go to a weekly. Yeah, they're in a weekly demand. Let's see if I can find like a patient call here. See if I can like get a little bit of time with $200. Yeah, this is a good buy level for probably make a move to at least 3 or 37. Let's see. Get some weeks on this. C3 AI. Let me see if I can get another week. Oh, I just got an alert on Rocket Lab too. My goodness. All right, I'm zooming out to the weekly chart on things. Let's take a look at this buy. Let's go up to the 4 hour on this buy. This could be it. This could be it. I don't know. I'm still looking at upside on AI now. I feel like here, I'll just go for next week. Let's call, actually, next week's not even that good a deal on AI. Low key and extra week. All right, I'm gonna grab some AI calls. This isn't a stock I trade a lot. This is a decently wide spread on it. Yeah, we'll see if I get filled first. If I get filled, I'll let y'all know. But I'm looking at some calls for 2 weeks out on those. I like how oversold it is. I like that it's in the demand zone. Let's look at Rocket Lab on the 4 hour as well. Oversold in the demand zone. I might go for Rocket Lab as well. Let's look at, all right, I got orders in on Rocket Lab and AI, but we'll have to see if I actually get filled. I think all those, okay, I got filled on AI. So here, let's go add that. Here, AI. C3 AI, I grabbed. I got filled on Rocket Lab too. So AI, I got, the expiration was March 7th. And I grabbed the 2950 calls. So yeah, we'll add that to the watch list. And then RKLB. Oh wait. I think I just got next week. No, I grabbed, what was it? I guess I got 2 weeks time. So I grabbed March 7th, 24.5 calls. All right. Okay, hold up. Let's see. And honestly, hold up. One more. So yeah, going and talking about it now. Oh dang, TSLL. My goodness. Yeah, let's see how TSLL is doing too. Oh yeah, we're almost back. Up on the AI calls. Yeah, the market needed this. My goodness. Let me update the family real quick. Here, let's see. Everyone just grabbed. Let's see. I gotta take a screenshot. For both of them. Just grabbed AI calls expiring. Wait, March 7. What strike did I grab the calls for? I think it was like 29.50. Paid. How much should I pay for them? $2.05 per share. Everyone just grabbed RKLB calls. What strike did I grab? 24.5. Expiring 3/7, paid $2.45 per share. There we go. All right, and then I wanted to go look at Palantir. Or here, we'll leave that alone for now. All right, so let's see. How long out? I got next week, big drop from the SPY. I'm sick right now, had SPY puts. Yeah, I know how you feel, bro. I think the whole Palantir position I had yesterday, yo, that would have been 10K at least. But hey, it is what it is. Had to let it go. Up 100% on QQQ puts. Hey, that's what's up, family. Let's see. TSLL, my goodness. Hey, it happens. Hey, we gotta move on to the next. Sometimes we gotta slow down, take a breather. What's up with Microsoft? They had some good news. It looks like nothing. They're not moving. They're like flat on the day. But they had some good news yesterday. I have the 18.5 put because it was cheaper, but it may not get there. I bought it at a week ago on TSLL. And we'll have to see. Lucky J. Hey, what's up, Lucky J? Hey, hey, once again, we're back with the nail biter. Hey, what's the chart say about Hood? We'll have to check in a moment. I think Hood was like oversold or overbought at one point. I don't know where it is now. Oh, it's close to a demand zone. Oh, actually, yeah, I might go for a little call on. Oh, no, it's not. It's close to a demand zone, but also it's not like quite oversold like the other ones. There's too many with like just factors of confluence, so I'm gonna just hold off on that for now. Here, let's see. $240, something like that. Looking like it's raining red. Hey, right now it is. Hey, this is a opportunity. It's knocking. Let's see. I really like this live trading you do and learn, 100%. And it's nice when you get mornings like this morning where things are moving and going a little wild. Tesla TSLL could bounce. 100%. Yeah, it's like right here at this, came to this trend line. I feel like it could keep going, but yeah, there is a bounce at this line right here. So we'll see where things kind of go. Oh, SPY's still moving. If the SPY comes down to like 604, down to like 601, yo, that's a good buy zone. Let's see. Just saw my MSTR at the nice. Fell asleep a little late. I should have did some. Hey, yeah, that would have been some good money, but hindsight is 2020 for sure. Like the video, good people. Oh yeah, that's a good idea. Hey, to those of you that are unaware, just below the video, if you see the video where you see the charts and maybe even you see me down in the corner, there's an icon, right? Kind of looks like this, like a little thumbs up. We want to stay away from the one that looks like this. We want to go for this one right here. Bring all the good vibes, all the good energy, all the good trades. And we want to identify that icon. If you're on a computer, we want to take our mouse, our cursor, whatever, and kind of hover over it, give it a nice little click. That's referred to as smashing the like button. Some people refer to it as booping the like button. Some people refer to it as, just tapping the like button. But regardless, we want to find that like button. We want to interact with it. We want to share all the vibes. We want to really, just share good energy, share good stuff so we can find some trades. Oh, Tempest is pulling back too. My goodness. Down 14% on a day. Yeah, this is going to be a good day to like scoop some stuff. Even Google got calls on that, getting kind of wiped. But let's see. Baba and Meta for puts. I'm not chasing any puts. I don't know when this is going to end. It's like I feel like I grabbed some calls at good levels. But yeah, I'm not going to chase puts. So I have puts on TSLL. I have puts on... I got some other puts in other accounts too. Let's see. I have those old AMD puts. I don't think anything's going to happen with those. Yeah, I don't think AMD is going to go that far. I have a SoFi put that I sold. I'm going to have to be patient with that one. We'll just have to see. Hey, things go wild, and I got here. I know how you feel. Anything good with Fubo? Is Fubo? Fubo's like still not really moving. So I'm waiting on Fubo to pull lower. Getting into position for the SPY reversal. Hey, we'll see when it decides it wants to reverse. If it comes down here to like this 603, like if it comes to 602, hey, I'm for sure in. But if not, I'll just chill with where I'm at. Kevin, I don't think I saw your last message. I just see could SPY hit that today. Great buy. Matt, how far do you go out on your expirations? Right now, I'm trying to go at least 2 weeks, at least. Just because, I don't know, I've been kind of pushing it. Man, look at Netflix. I was just looking at Netflix was one of the ones I was looking at taking a short on. But I was looking at doing it on a higher time frame. I was looking at them on the weekly. Oh, they're still kind of up there. But I was like, yo, if I get some time and I get like if I get like 6 months, maybe we get a pullback on Netflix back to here. And there's for sure going to be some money to be had. Hey, Matthew identifies as a thumbs up. Hey, I'll take that. I'm a thumbs up kind of guy. What time frame would you look for next support on TSLO? So I really typically just look at Tesla, but let's see. I usually look on the 4 hour. So it would be from like 918 down to 1812, and 1812 would be like the next support, but it's like this is a demand zone. It kind of I would say it kind of tapped into that demand zone, but we'll see like if it actually has the strength or if it's just a little bit of buyers. Smash the like button with my elbow. Oh, nice. Dorothy, good morning. Stopped out of Palantir still. Hey, I'm sure you made some money on Palantir though. That's good stuff. Where's Palantir? Okay, yeah, we got some stuff selling off. Here, let's look at Tempest. Okay, hold up. I want to see Tempest get oversold, actually. Let me go on and mark that as well. Bro, low-key, it kind of annoys me a little bit how all this, like how everything likes to happen at once. You know, it's not just like one thing at a time. It's like everything, and it's kind of overwhelming. Kevin, yeah, it's very well possible. Like it could happen. It's also possible that the SPY could just run up from here as well. So, you know, be aware that there is risk like that available too. All right, you said Palantir puts. I'm not chasing Palantir puts up here or down here. This is that's chasing a trade now. It's like Palantir has moved $25 since yesterday. I'm not going to chase that. Home Depot puts couple weeks out. Possibly. They probably aren't going to do crazy well. I know the housing market's not doing well. Home Depot is already oversold on the 4 hour. And it looks like it's this Home Depot is in the area of demand that I've been looking at since, I don't know what this is from, but they're in a demand zone now. It's like we've been on the lookout for that. So I would be a little hesitant grabbing a short on Home Depot. But of course, you know, the higher time frame trumps all. So you said Baba put. So I don't have the certainty for that. Just because it's a Chinese stock, I don't know. Like, they're definitely oversold on the 4 hour or overbought on the 4 hour, but yeah, I don't have the confidence for that. Like the stuff in the charts, just the way it moves and trades, I cannot say with Taro, Home Depot's puts. Hey, Miguel, honestly, I would say, the fundamentals, they're there for what you're saying. I think you're onto something. I just don't, once again, I don't have the confidence for that either. Let's see. Any advice on how to combat down days? So if you're long, first off, if you're long, have money on the side for down days to maybe buy a little bit more. But yeah, if you're long, it's just like zoom out. And it's like you may be red on the day, but you may not be red overall, or you may not be red. Like remember why you're investing in that, and just see it as a buying opportunity, because that's what it is. If you're trying to help future you out, it's like, oh yeah, future me is really going to appreciate me getting these shares for $25 instead of $250. So what's the best IV for options? Usually the lower the better, but there's not going to be a best IV for options because different options will have different IVs. And like even looking from a SPY to a Tesla, like yesterday on stream, we looked at Tesla and the option was like 60 something IV. That might be kind of a normal range for Tesla, but a normal range for SPY might be around like 10% or something. So, but that's 10% for the SPY might be high. So there's no one size fits all. So it's really, if you're going to trade a stock, you got to get familiar with it if you're going to be paying attention to the IV. On your survey, I put green, so market would go down to, oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Hey, you're wildin', ED. Here. You could buy a straddle if you're not, 100%. Only thing I'll have to say about the straddle is you just got to make sure you have the balance to do it. And make sure you get the time too. Because sometimes it just doesn't move at all. So you said, isn't it weird that the Dixie is down as well as the market? Not really. Just because this happens sometimes. I guess you could call it a form of divergence, but it will line itself up at some point, whether the market ends up moving higher or the Dixie ends up moving higher. It's like one of them will move up higher, but also I would say like the market hit. I don't know, it's like there have been days where the market was moving up that the Dixie was not moving down. So it could be a little bit of both. I don't know. Bought 3 contracts in your play. Which one? You said Rocket Lab? Yeah. Yeah, I would like to. I think I could get a couple hundred per contract off that. Maybe not today. It'd be cool to see it tomorrow, but that should be a cool little swing. I think I've kind of put myself in position. You said, here comes the pump. Hey, I'm cool with it. I'm cool with it. I'm still in that TSLL, but I had thought about closing out and like minimizing. All right. Dang, we're like, I was going to say 50-50, but we're 45-45 red and green. Wait, hold up. Something don't make sense. We're 45-45 red and green, and then we're 11 break even. Someone make it make sense. How do we have 101%? I'm gonna need YouTube to math a little bit better. Okay, it's even. Okay, now it's 45-44 10. So we just went from 101% to 99%. I'm gonna need YouTube to work on this math equations. I don't know. All right, let's see. Thoughts on Walmart, bro? I know you're not a bro, but I was about to, like, at open, I was looking at Walmart. I was like, oh yeah, that looks like a good call. And then, because they were oversold, they were kind of in this demand zone, but then they like bought up. As of right now, I'm not sure. I guess we gotta kind of wait now. Just because Walmart made that move, I'm not 100% sure how I feel about it now. Because I was like, I saw it when it was down here at like 96. I was like, oh yeah, I'm gonna get a call off that. That's gonna be some easy money. Cause I was like, oh yeah, it's in the demand zone and it was oversold, but now it's like it's not exactly something I would necessarily chase anymore. So Hood is in a zone where it's in a demand zone, but it's not like close to being overbought or oversold. It's kind of in the middle of its range. So Hood, I'm not, like, as of right now, I'm not too interested in it. Hey, y'all see Lucky J's message in the chat? Hey, y'all be sure to contribute to that. We are defying the odds. Have to keep refreshing the page. Interesting. That's weird, but hey. All right. I think I was about to look at SMCI. Where's yeah, so it kind of pulled back to the EMA a little bit below. I think we'll get a decent short. Like if SMCI comes back up, I think we have like a decent short opportunity coming up. I have next support on TSM at 189. I'm close. Let's see. I would say so. On a 4 hour, I see support right here at about like around like 197, 198. Then I would say like 192.50. I would say like 189. So there's like maybe 1 or 2 stops I would make on the way there, but yeah, I would say that's one. But I would say that's more like a sweep of liquidity that you'd be targeting. Am I a full-time trader? No. I mean, it'd be a little cool if I was, but nah. I don't think it's like I think I have tried to have trading be my only source of income. I would say it started out well and I was like doing well, but like sometimes you lose, and then when you lose, bad thoughts or like negative thoughts may come in, and it's like it may throw you off. So I don't know, it's like it's a battle. It's always nice to have other sources of income coming in. I would say without having other sources of income coming in is not a move that I would like to make personally. I hear that a lot. Mental health is a key for trading. I would say like, you need to have discipline. So it's like, I exercise a good amount. I keep my body disciplined. I read. Well, actually, I more listen to audiobooks now, but it's like I was gonna say I read, but nah. I feel like right now I don't have the time to just like focus read, or I don't take the time to focus read. I could always find time, but it's like I think I've been enjoying myself a little bit more lately, so a little bit lower on the discipline. Probably why last month was it was not a good start to the year, but maybe it was the start I needed because month like last month versus this month, so it's a good amount better than last month. Let's see. Use software up. What is use software up? What do you mean by that, Chase? I've lost a lot of money day trading options. I might try switch. Hey, yeah, that was the game changer for me. And honestly, if you are looking at trying this swing, I got a video like specifically, I would say like explaining like how to swing trade, or like, I guess kind of my way. Let me see real quick.
1 week.
Let's see. Yeah, because it's a lot easier than day trading to me. All right, so that's the video. Should you decide you want to check it out, it's there. All right, this is my first month and I am getting hurt, but it's because it's part of the process. It will turn around. I thought you were doing well, Josh. Let me, or actually, I have noticed you say things some days. Oh, let's see. Okay, ticker U. That's Unity, right? Wait, what? Where is it? Oh, it's up here. Oh, okay. So what did you say? Okay, yeah, Unity is... What's going on with Unity? Okay, so they had earnings. All right. Did they... Here, let's see them on a weekly. Yeah, they're doing very well today. My thing is I don't understand how well they're doing, and I don't understand like I would need to see their fundamentals and see like their like updated earnings. I mean, that's a good surprise right there. A 57% surprise. That's nice. But yeah, I just don't know enough about it. Dang, Lunar down to 1875. All right, yeah, I think I'm gonna do more swings because those did work more than the quick. No, yeah, the quick day trade, y'all. I'm not sure if y'all noticed, but yeah, I'm like avoiding those like the play. It's like a lot of y'all say, "Yo, this is moving right now." I'm like, "Hey, that's what's up, family. That's great for you that you do that." But it's like, and it's like I can snipe with some day trades, but I can't do it consistently. So I'm like, oh yeah, this is obvious. It's in a level, or it's in an area. It's oversold, all this stuff, and yeah. All right, let's see. I was making a comeback, then that stop loss thing messed me up. Oh yeah, it's really hard when you like stop losses. It's like I don't really set them unless I am like decently up or something. Like if I want to take profits, that's when I'll start setting them. I didn't say I got in. I made money. Yes. Oh, I feel that. I feel that. All right, let's see. Wait. Are you interested in him? Yeah, I'm interested. I want to see it pull back to like 40, 50. Here, let's look at Hims real quick. It's like I'm interested in it, but yo, I want to see it pull back to at least 50. Here, let's look at it on a weekly. Ideally back to 30. But, you know, if it wants to pull back to this 13 EMA on the weekly, I'm cool with that too. So around 40, I'm 100% cool with that. Let's see. Yo, I'm hungry. I'm hungry, man. Have you ever done leaps? So yes and no. It's like I've had some leaps before, and I had some leaps that would have paid me like very, very well. Like very, very, very well. It's just more of a matter of patience. So it's like when I've done leaps, it's like it's been like the majority of my money. So it's like I need to have, like for leaps for me, I need to have like more money on the side so that I can let that play ride and not be so focused on it. Because it's like, yo, I can see like what's going to happen. And it's like, yo, if I would have taken this trade, that would have been okay. Or I would have been paid. It's just the only thing is like, I need to have that money elsewhere where I'm not like micromanaging it, where I can really just let it kind of do its own thing. But yeah, it's like I have. Same thing with some of my stock positions too. I gotta make sure I have them somewhere where I'm not like micromanaging them. Day trade. Oh, you said the stock? Yeah, I'm interested in the stock. Day trade options is only good for that. Yeah, that's the exact reason it's good. Okay, let's see. What were we? Oh, you said Costco. Yeah, we got a Costco being put in like right by me. I could see Costco selling off. They got earnings coming up. I could see them selling off. It's a solid company, but yeah, I can see them selling off. It's not one that I would want to buy into. If you offer me shares of Costco for like $500 though, yeah, I'd take them. 2 contracts sold off yesterday because of my stop loss. Yeah, that's what's there. But if you were up on them, that's perfectly fine. If you were up on them, that's part of the game. What are leaps? So leaps are, I think it stands for like long-term equity. I don't know. So they're pretty much options contracts that are like over 300 days or so, like contracts over a year. You get more time. The theta and the time decay wears down a lot more. Usually your delta is higher on them too, and so it's like when they move better, and whenever they kind of move away, they don't move as bad. Only thing is you gotta pay more for them, so just kind of depends. I'm not patient enough for leaps. Never tried it. Don't have. So hey, it's something we should try to work for or work towards, or maybe try to what is it? Like build up some shares. All right. Let's see that's just all right, so you pay a lot for it. It depends on the stock. Sometimes it's like, yo, think about this. Say a year ago, say we're looking at Palantir, right? A year ago. All right, so today is February 2025. So February 2024, early February 2024, Palantir, $6. I'm pretty sure the highest strike price on their option chain was like $40. So say you buy a leap for that price. Say you could buy $40 options contracts with 2 years of time on Palantir. Say you could go back in time knowing what you know today. And you could do that. Bro, that's cheap. Hold on, are you able to do a video on one of these days? I mean, I need to. So when I do videos, it's usually like when I'm doing it. So I would need to see some good leap opportunities, and it would probably have to be like one of the smaller ones that I think could go crazy. So like say we actually get HIMS pull back to like that $40 level. That might be a time for me to come through and scoop some leaps. Because honestly, in that situation, I'd probably have to throw down a couple grand. But right now, it's just like, I have other things that it would serve me better in the short term using them for, even though I know over the span of the next year, it's probably better that I throw the couple grand into that. So it's like, whenever the cards align, whenever things, whenever it gets there, it'll happen. But yeah, it's something. We'll make that happen. All right. Where is the new Costco? Prosper, Texas. I think it actually opens in I want to say 2 weeks. Oh wait, hold up. Can we have a moment of silence for the like button? It's dead right now. All right, yeah. We can 100% do that. And now for a moment of silence. Did it come back to life? I said we got a like. Oh no, I said we got like 4. Okay. Okay, I see we got. Okay. Hey, shout out to Lucky J for that moment of silence. Yeah. Well timed. Well timed. Do you think Costco is forming a cup and handle? I don't know. So I don't really typically like look at. Okay, so to me, I just see an uptrend. It's to me, it looks too up for that. I don't know. I would say like usually, it's usually the cup would be over here, but I would say that handle is too high. I don't know. And honestly, I don't really even have the best history with cup and handles. Where's it? Let's see. Leaps make it. Hey, 100%. There have been so many leaps that I have like. Here, let's look at some that I've added. I got some on my actual my other Robinhood. That Robinhood that we have online, that's not my specific one. Let's see. Let me see. Do I still? So I have some leaps that expire next year on SoFi that I added in July of last year. They're up 320%. They're $7 SoFi calls. Let's see, what else do we have here? Oh, I hadn't even done anything with this, but I got some. I have a Nike call. It's a $90 Nike call. It's right at break even, so it's still the price that it was when I added it. And they expire in January of 2026. So it's like right now I still just watch list leaps. And then I had some Tesla kind of leaps, but they kind of expired, so or they weren't leaps, they were more like 6 months. Let's see. Do you have any leap play? Not at the moment. It's risky not knowing that it will be at that level, but you're correct. So I would say that when it comes to technicals, the more that you know, it's not as crazy anymore. And then also like you having all that time, as long as it goes up, you still have plenty of time to get out to where you still have plenty of profit. So it's all good. Usually you wouldn't want to hold till expiration anyway. You just want to ride like a big move up. Let's see. Hey bro, you going to the TSX exchange in Dallas when it opens? I gotta look up what the TSX exchange is. Let me look real quick. Oh wait, hold up. I want to keep that up. TSX exchange. Oh, is it a stock market exchange? I mean, if they want to have some kind of event and invite me, hey, I'm down, but I don't want to just drive down there like to trade because, I like being close to home when I trade. That sounds low-key, that sounds like stressful. Hey, you say silent in real life? Hey, most of the time on stream, I'm silent too. Like I can only imagine me being like, yo, moment of silence, and then people are, I don't know, say one of y'all are rebellious and y'all like, forget this moment of silence, man. I'm not doing this. And y'all are just like going loud. Y'all turn the music up and everything. And y'all's wherever you live. And over here, I'm just being all silent. And it's like y'all don't even notice I'm being silent. And then as soon as the moment of silence is over, y'all are like, all right, cool. Now I'll be silent. So, hey, glad to know we were being being silent. You said there's one being built in Aubrey too? Hey, let me make sure. I don't have to make sure it's not the same one because, you know, Prosper and Aubrey are like side by side pretty much. So Costco's going ham if that's the case. Let me double check. Oh, wait, hold up. Yeah, definitely one being built in Prosper. Okay, interesting. You can have more than one hood account. So actually, okay, so the one that we look at here, this is technically my wife's. But I have 3 that are actually mine. So I have like the regular one you have. I have also a joint one with my wife, and then I have my Roth. So I have 3 that's just directly accessed on my phone. So yeah, you can. Let's see. Almost unlike, so I could hit the like again. I mean, that's cool as long as you go through and hit it again, you know. Yeah, you can unlike to like again. I've done it before. Almost 100 likes. Hey, I see us cooling at 88. Oh, 89. Okay, I see it. I think I need to refresh. Yeah. If you see 41, if you really want to see the like progression, yeah, you gotta refresh. I used to do it whenever, or I still do it time to time. I'll go on other streams. I'm like, I hear them talking about the likes. I want to see how they're doing. All right, so yeah, I'm gonna have to just not watch these today. Tesla. Yeah, Google even now. That's what I was gonna say. It's time. Texas Stock Exchange. I'm not going down there to trade. I suck it. I mean, probably be cool to like meet people, but it's like I also know if I go down there and meet people in Dallas, you know, I make friends. I'm like, yo, I live kind of. It's like I live close enough to go to Dallas for bigger things, but I don't want to go out there every day. It's like I can go like once a week, sometimes twice a week, but it's like that's anywhere from like a 40-minute drive for me to, if there's traffic, it can be like an hour 20 minutes or so. So I'm not trying to, like, during the week and during the day. Yo, that's a long drive. In the mornings, on the weekends, yo, it's chill. You said it's the same one? Oh, okay. Okay. I was about to say, I'm like, dang. Yeah, the one on University, I feel you. Hey, bro, do you like ADRs? I don't even know what ADR is. Let me see. I have no dealings with ADRs. So basically, I can trade options with my individual. I don't think I can trade options with my joint account. Let me see. I can trade options in my Roth, and I can trade options on my individual. But let me check my joint real quick. As of right now, I don't think so. I don't think you can trade options in it. So nah, I think it's just only options in the not in the joint account. And if you want to have a joint account, you gotta have somebody to have a joint account with. But I think even if you wanted, I don't think you need to be married or anything though. I think even if you wanted to have like a joint account with like a bro or something like that, you can be like, hey bro, let's pull our money. I don't think that's a wise decision to do, but I think you could do that if you wanted to as well. I was thinking about grabbing some shares in SoundHound AI. What do you think? I think there are other ones that I like more. I mean, it's like if you believe in it like that, that's cool, but it's not one that I love. So I think me personally, I was like, I don't know. I personally was saying I'm not doing anything. For some reason, I have this 956 level, but that's the highest fair value gap. So it's for sure going to come back to this level. But ideally, I wouldn't make any moves until it's at least like $8 down to 616. It's like at 616. Yo, I'll pick up some shares, but it's like I don't believe in it enough to pick it up here. Like I don't want to hold it that long term. It's like the only reason I would get it down here is like, okay, yeah, I got some at 6. Oh, it's up to like 9. Oh yeah, let me take my 50% profit and roll out of here. So Palantir, I think it could drop to like 85. I think it would be like a strong level for it. So 85 actually kind of lines up with, here, look, you see this EMA on the weekly, the 13 EMA on the weekly. If we go to the 4-hour time chart or time frame, that's 85 is like the last demand zone. Also, let's see if we turn on like the 200 EMA. The 200 EMA is pretty close to 85. Right now it's at 87. So yeah, I could see us like coming to like 85, around that. It doesn't necessarily have to do it today. Like I could see us coming back up and like retesting something. Like we don't have to come down in a straight shot. But yeah, I ultimately think we'll come down to like 85 before we like really get moving again. That's when I'll start like trying to look at upside on Palantir again. Let's see. Hey, no problem, Henry. Do you teach any classes or YouTube the only info you give out? So I've done mentorship, and as of right now, like the reason I didn't love mentorship is because of the fact that a lot of the people who went through the mentorship, they kind of had day jobs and stuff, so the scheduling and whatnot, a little tough for me. It's like I like to get things done in the morning, and it's like pretty much by the time my brain was kind of dead, and like usually I'm kind of in my more like relaxed kind of just chill time, that's when it's time to like full on teach and answer questions and interact. I'm like, yo, it's a lot of work. So I'm about to move in about a week. I'm not moving far. I'm legit moving into the unit next door. But when that happens, I have like I'll have like, it might take about a week or so to like set up my office, or maybe it takes longer. Ooh, I need to start ordering stuff now that I think about it. But I'll have about a week ago or so to set things up. And then after that, I want to like I want to start recording like content for a course. I'm gonna be real, all this stuff is already online on my channel for free, but like some people just want it there without all the ads, all in order. And yeah, that's kind of what I intend on doing. And then maybe after that, hold up, what does this say? If you have an option that expires, do you try to wait till last minute? Not necessarily. So sometimes if I can still get money, even if it's just $1, I'm like, yo, this $1 is better than nothing sometimes. I used to wait till last minute, and sometimes like I still let options expire worthless sometimes, but most of the time I'll just cut it out, even if it's at like $14 or so. Cause it's like I've had chances or times where I've turned like $14 into like 100, and it's like, you never know. It's like sometimes it's like, I don't think anything's gonna happen with this in this time. So it's like, I could potentially do something incredible with it. Or what if I need like $13 more for something one day? So most of the time, if I have that thought that you just sent me, I would just pull out. Mahishu, good morning. I feel like you answer our questions here, but I can see how one-on-one can be beneficial. It's like I was doing one-on-ones. Oh no, when I was doing the mentorship, it was like a kind of like small class kind of thing. But no, one-on-ones are cool too, because you like get the time to get to like chat with someone, know someone. But I'm gonna let y'all know, like most of the time with my one-on-ones, the way most of them go, it's like really a quick, or it seems quick and simple to me, but it's like they say what their problem is, and I'm like, yo, I'm not going to be able to teach you the strategy right here, but I got just the video to send you to, and then I just send them the links, and then it's like, I'm like, yo, practice this, and then usually I'll get messages saying like, whoa, that changed this. And it's like, yo, I made this money. And it's like, yo, it already like paid off. But I just kind of like pulled down my thing for like, I had like a Zoom scheduler up for the one-on-ones, but scammers kind of took advantage of it. And I'm pretty sure I did like one where somebody had already paid like a scammer to like talk to me, and I was like, all right, I need to figure out something, because I'm not trying to have people get scammed, and I'm also not trying to like just like give out, like, it's like I give out like plenty of free stuff, like this is free, but it's like whenever I'm like, yo, I could be like spending time with my family or something, it's like, nah, I'm not gonna like, when I would rather necessarily spend with my family, if I'm not getting paid, nah. AMD chart looks fake, looks too perfect. Look, yo, where, do I still have it up? Oh, here, let's, yeah, definitely, like I was so close to taking a short. I probably would have been up about like $400 on that. Not 400. I probably would have been up about $200 on that short that I was looking at. But I was wanting to grab multiple contracts, and the contracts I was looking at, I was like, they have about a month of time. I'm still like, AMD, I'm still looking for it to come down to this level. So AMD could, like AMD with some time, that could be something. Let's see. You said, will you stream for that week? Oh yeah, I'll still stream. It might be a little messy. Possibly the streams could be shorter, but no, I'll still stream. Nah, I'm here, I'm here. Like, and honestly, I don't have that much stuff to move. But yeah, I might be eager to set things up. So my patience may be a little bit lower. Like as in like, oh, the market's not doing anything. I may just not feel like chilling, but maybe it may also be like, yo, I'm setting stuff up. I mean, if you want to chill and watch me set stuff up, hey, I'm setting it up. So chill on the stream. But if not, I don't know. We'll see. We'll see how that goes. But I'll stream. Here, let's see. Let's see. Hey, you're welcome, Jack. Hey, appreciate your presence. Honestly, I understand that I'm trying to learn more than what I know now, and just being in this live is good for info. I'm more of a question. I feel that. I feel that. No, honestly, yeah. Sometimes you have questions, and sometimes the answer is just right there. But sometimes you need clarification, and it's very helpful. I feel that. I'm the same way. Even 0.50, I'm taking it back. Long on TTT or TTD. Let's check the chart. Oh, yes. Hey, let's check the weekly real quick. Oh, my good. Yes, you've done it. All right. Hey, I'm here for it. Let's see what kind of. Hold up, I got an alert on Reddit just now too. Hold up, they're trying to set my alert off. All my alerts off. Okay. All right, so I think I'm gonna have to, bro. Y'all are setting me off. I might have to add more money to my portfolio. But here. All right, so TTD. No, I'll leave Reddit alone for now. Cause Reddit, I could see Reddit still staying kind of in this, and it could take some time in here. So until Reddit like breaks this trend line, hold up. Okay, there's an alert on the trend line, but yeah, TTD though. Oh my goodness. See how much time we can get. Let's look at April. And where would my target be? Let's look at the next supply zone. Oh my goodness. Yeah, what's the spread? Oh, that's cool. That's cool. Yeah, let's see if can I get filled? Can I get filled, please? What's this? Oh, here, let me. Okay, there we go. Real quick, let me share that with the family. Where'd it go? Oh, there we go. Yeah, I'm just. Hey, that was a good stuff right there, Jose. I hope it's great stuff. I will hopefully in a couple weeks make about 2,500 from that. I'm cool with that. But here, let's see. Everyone, or maybe tomorrow, that'd be cool too. Or grabbed a call on TTD, paid $450. Oh wait, hold up. Which call did I grab? I think it was a $75 call. $75 call on TTD. expiring. What is it? Was it like April 4th? Yeah, I think it's April 4th. Paid $4.50 per share. There we go. Yeah. Let me add that to the list. My goodness. Yeah, we'll have to wait on those. Meanwhile, we see the Dixie coming down too. That's a good little sign. Yeah, I'm probably not going to do anything if the SPY does come down to 604, like I was saying though. I like that TTD though. All right, let's see. All right, Meta 697. They've kind of been chilling in that range. Here, let's look at Meta real quick. Yeah, they've kind of been chilling in this area today, like between like the low 7s and the high 6s. Long on VZ, Microsoft. Yeah, Microsoft, I know they had that thing yesterday. Verizon looks like it might be a good area to short on the 4-hour chart. I like TTD for real. It is on my bucket hat to visit the Potter's House, Houston, Texas. If you still attend, I would like to meet you in person and give you. What was I going to say? So I went to the Potter's House. It was in Dallas, but I don't go to the Potter's House anymore. But yeah, I used to, and there was one in also the Potter's House. Then they kind of like branched out and had someone under him. There's one in like Frisco. That one's like really close to me. Still, I would like to meet you in person and give you 10% of when I hit. Oh no, yeah, I'm not gonna snag 10K from you. Maybe one day, like I have like a dream. It's kind of like right now it seems like a long shot, but it's on the horizon. I don't know. We'll have like some kind of compound where people get better. I want to employ some family, and I want to it's like I have family that like I don't know. It's like growing up, I see them in better shape, and they're not in shape anymore. I'm like, yo, I would like to pay them more than they make now. That way we could all like work out together and kind of have them be a project, but also like have them being better and have them making money, and you know, we're all making money together, but we're all getting better together, and like, I don't know. So it's like, yo, if you want to donate to something like that in the future, that's cool, but no, yeah, I'm not just gonna like just take it like that. Here, what's up? All right, M says, what up? What's up? Haven't been listening. What I miss? I want in. I grabbed upside on TTD. Jose brought my attention to TTD, and like if we look here, let's go back. Super oversold on the 4-hour. Same on the weekly. This is the 200 EMA. It'll probably come retest like somewhere in here. It could come back to 100. We'll see. I feel like this will be a wick, but we'll have to see. But yeah, it's over here oversold. Honestly, it hasn't been this oversold in its history. But like in the past, when it's come below this 200 EMA, it's gone crazy. So hey, that's looking nice. If you put the one-on-one on back up, I'll invest the money. The reason is because you're local and relatable. I'm going to look at all your videos today. Keep up the good work. Appreciate that, Jamarcus. Yeah, I'm closing my VZ positions today. Hey, good stuff. Hey, good stuff right there. Hey, nice, Flacco. Good stuff. Henry, TTT looks good. Hey, it looks good to me too. But also, this right here specifically is the weekly. So know that this could take longer. That's why I got till April. But honestly, don't be surprised if I could, even if it makes a move back up to 90, if it makes a move back up to 90, over the span of the next day, or if this RSI on the 4 hour runs back up to 50, I'll probably snag those profits. I would forget the RSI on the weekly. I will snag those profits so fast. Yeah, shout out to Jose. Jose, for real. Where you at, Jose? Yeah. Let's go. Hey, good stuff. Hey, I see 3 W's there. Lucky J, are you alluding to something? Maybe World War III. Okay, hold up. M says, so you're thinking a call because it's at the bottom of a... Yeah, you could say that. And the RSI is low. I also checked out the 1 day. Yeah. Yeah, pretty much, M says, it's they're super oversold. And it's honestly, you probably can't find a point in history where they were this oversold. I mean, usually last time they were this oversold, it wasn't this long, but yeah, they've been oversold a good amount. That's gonna probably come balance itself out. So yeah, last time oversold, they went from oversold to overbought. I want to also go look at Palantir and look at them. They went from overbought to now they're pretty much oversold on the 4 hour. They were oversold a long time on the 4 hour, but yeah, they'll probably after they get here, they'll probably kind of trade sideways, come back up, make another move down, but it'll be harder to catch them there. But it's whenever you catch them at the extremes, that's just give me my money. Up, what was I gonna say? Up 33% on Microsoft, 440 Lotto selling one today. Nice. Yeah, honestly, where I'm kind of at right now, I kind of just want to, now I'm just here chilling with y'all now, because it's now I'm just I need to leave my account alone and let it do what it does. Navitrimesh, you slept in. I was rudely awoken this morning, but hey, I'm glad you got the sleep I didn't. Wow, Palantir under $1, messed up, never looked at the price, just knew my... Hey, that's good. Hey, now I don't feel bad. I took profit on Palantir when it was around 100 on my share. Oh snap, Microsoft broke 418. Let's go, next supply. Yeah. Hey, one thing I want to say, so we got the PCE rising up. Honestly, they haven't been letting the PCE get too high. They haven't been paying it out. So honestly, if we want to pay attention to the PCE, notice whenever it gets up like to like 70, it usually ends up getting like, I don't know, it like the market ends up running. And then the next day, so like 70 down to 50. So that's just like a couple more days of bullishness after that. So we're still like, I would say bullish overall, but it's like, yeah, when you get selling like this, and honestly, if this continues on, yo, it's just gonna, or it's been pushing us up. What are the chances of gap down for open tomorrow? Hey, Trump is speaking at 6:20 in the afternoon. Let's see. Or I guess that's 5:20 Eastern Standard Time. Yeah. Let's see how that goes, and then maybe ask the probability. Honestly, even if you ask me a probability, it would just be random. Like it'd be extra random. Like I couldn't give you like a real number. Verizon. Can I get that side chart in TradingView? Do you not have it? So I don't know. It's like, are you talking about this side chart or this side chart? But yeah, you can get all of them. I would say like everything that you see here is free. Okay, how do you get the 4 views you have for it? So for this, I do have a video for that, but it's not complicated, so I could show you right here. So this would normally look like just this square for you if you're on one screen. But yeah, I just click right here, and then I just click on whatever setup I want. So if I want 2, it's like that. 1. I'll come over here, and if I want 4 vertically, if I want 8, yeah, it's like I just click on that. But I think you have to pay to have more than 1. So if you try to do that, it'll be like, oh yeah, upgrade your membership. But I think that's a paid feature if you want to have 4. Walmart took my soul today. You're watching today chart. Don't think that was in your setup video. Wait, when you say watching today, what What oh, you're talking about this? Oh. It was definitely in one of the videos. Or actually maybe that was a mentorship, but if you want to set up a chart, so pretty much think you just, wait, hold up. Create new list. Say I wanted to, I don't know. Let's see if I can make it I don't know. All right, so now I got a new list of laughable whatever. So say I want Verizon on it. Say I want all these on it. That's how you make the list. If I want to switch throughout them, yeah, that's how you would do it. Beat earnings and had a good earning call, even rally. So the reason Walmart came down is because they said that they said that the tariffs could affect them. So that's why Walmart came down. So wow, I feel, oh no need to feel dumb, because I didn't know how to do that at a point in time too. Can I see the PCE? Oh, yeah. PCE, the ticker is PCE. So depending on what you're looking at it on, if you're not on TradingView, you might not see the PCE. But on trading, like if you're on Robinhood, you're not going to see, like you're not going to be able to see PCE. But yeah, PCE is currently at 64. Hey, Henry. So did you buy the TTT or are you waiting on? No. I forgot to add it to the watch list, but here, let's look at the, oh no, hold up. Let's add the contract that I picked up today. So it was, I got the April 4th. It was this contract. There we are. So yeah, today picked up, I can get rid of the SMCI. Yeah, so pick these up today. And get rid of the Uber too. This is Tesla 400. Get rid of that. That's old. My goodness. That put I picked up last week. Oh my goodness, that's hard to see. Wow, these Palantir puts. I'm going to close those out too. I don't even want to look at those. And the Apple call. All right, so yeah, these are the contracts that I currently have. If your TTD call gets to 90, how much profit is that and how many? I only got one contract. But here, so if we look at it, let's look at the TTD, simulate my returns. Let's move it to 90. So yeah, if TTT or TTD gets to $90, if it happens today, that's the estimated price. Let's say, let's say it takes like 2 weeks. That's like $1,000. And if it expires and it's at $90, that's still like $1,000. But let's say it takes like a week, like 1,100. All right. So let's see. TOS. What are you saying about TOS? Oh, I don't know. Yeah, I don't know if I don't use Thinkorswim anymore though. Good morning. What's your long-term outlook on TSM? I don't remember. I mean, they're still in an uptrend. They can probably be in this range, in this area. I wouldn't really want to do anything with them. So right here, I just leave them alone. It looks like they could pull back, but unless they like pull back to this kind of trend line, I'm not really looking to do anything with them. But right now, I would say bullish, but from where they currently are, I would lean more bearish. Who can't afford that and be comfortable watching it? Anything a little more? So I have a hard time saying anything more affordable just because that's I'm buying for safety now because I've been getting ripped. It's like you could always like give me a budget because it's like you can give me a budget to test, but it's like that's what I would be comfortable with now because it's like risk is high now, so I don't know. Let's see. Alani, hey, what are good settings for MACD? I don't use the MACD. I don't know how to really set it up. Started using simulate. Hey, 100% it is. I said a buy for March 7th if it gets to my price, then I'll set a stop loss. See March 7th. Oh, that might be enough time. I mean, it's pushing. It's just like I just personally here, where's, oh, there we go. Honestly, yeah, that's 2 weeks time. I feel like it should move by then. It's just like, So yeah, say I had $100. I still feel like this could do all right too. Like this $80 strike. Here, we'll add that too. And then if we take a look at it, let's go to the watch list. Let's see how that does, or how that would do. If this runs to $90, yeah, so the contract will be up to 951. The reason I like the pricier option now is because it is going to be less affected by whenever the stock price pulls back. So because of that, I will be able to, like, say I'm up on it, I can set a stop loss without necessarily worrying about it, getting ripped away. Yeah, but for me, that contract I said it's solid. It's just like this isn't a stock I typically trade, so I don't know how fast it'll actually go. But I would probably say by maybe next Tuesday, or tomorrow's Friday. Fridays are wild. But yeah, by next Tuesday, I wouldn't be surprised to see some kind of decent move. Ugh. But all right, so Euro close. Think I'm gonna call it a day. I got like a long time to spend on the treadmill today. I got like 48 minutes that I'm supposed to go. So I'm gonna get all fueled up, have myself like a little bagel or something, and then get out of here. Or then get to it real quick. Verizon, I'm not personally watching it. I think it was who was it? It was Flacco Black. He was watching it. I think even Lucky J may have said something about it, but I'm not in it. You said you felt like running for it. I mean, I'm just trying to once again work my discipline. Just I feel like the more disciplined that I am in real life, it carries over to my trade. So I feel like it's the best move for us all that I stay disciplined. So I want to take this time to say thank you so much for stopping by, family. Appreciate and love each and every one of you. Hope you have a blessed day. Hope these trades, I hope they pop off. And I pray that you're able to exercise the patience that may be required. But appreciate each and every one of y'all for stopping by. Matthew Manuel signing off. And I want to change your life. Peace out. Peace out, Mahishu, Josh, Edie Silver, Mass 3DRC, Lucky J, Darren. Hey, M Sense. Okay, I see you. Appreciate that, M Sense. C Smooth, Yoko's Lair, Cynthia, It's Real. Hey, appreciate that. Y'all have a blessed day. I'll catch y'all. Peace out, family.